We left the boathouse and now we are heading back towards the Lime parking where World of Disney is and where all the other Disney shops are, and we'll check those out.
The old marketplace.
Yep. And Mickey Mouse Rice Krispie. Gosh, thanks from Goofy. You're welcome, Goofy, for stopping in. Goofy sure has a lot of candy. Yummy, delicious candy. Right?
That's kind of redundant, candy and yummy.
It's yummy and delicious. And now we're gonna check out Disney's Design a Tee. You can actually design your own t-shirt here. This is how it works. First you design it, then you create it, and finally you wear it. And then right next to Design a Tee is the Wonderful World of Memories. Disney's Wonderful World of Memories. It's just a basic store that has merchandise. Oh, that's so cute. That's adorable. That's so cute. But then how do you wear the hat?
You take them out.
Oh, you just take them out. Oh, that's really cute.
They're hiding.
They're hiding. I found you, Chippendale. And right after the Wonderful World of Memories is the Art of Disney. I love these. These are like the new thing. I really like them. Look at that one. Beauty and the Beast. I also like this one. Seven Dwarfs. Aww, Dumbo. Does this light up?
I bet you
I think it does. And they have a Goofy one.
It should for that price.
And they have a Mickey one. How much is it? Oh my gosh, these are $1,300? Wow. I didn't expect it to be that much. Yeah, it probably definitely lights up.
Oh,
wow.
No. That's just a lock.
No?
So nobody can steal it.
It doesn't light up? Oh my gosh. $1,300. Why is it so much?
Just Donald.
No, but they're all $1,300.
They're limited edition of 28.
Oh, they're limited edition. Got it. What's going on there? Stitch?
He's sleeping. Don't worry. He's just sleeping.
Oh, wait, what's going on?
He's sleeping. He's sleeping.
That's when he didn't know how to be good. That's why. Then he learned how to be good, right?
That's him now.
Yeah, that's him now. And that was him then. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. I love these. Thomas Kincaid painting. This one I love. This one. Fantasia. This is interesting. Mickey and Pluto, $4,000. Yeah, these are nice.
This looks very familiar.
Oh, yes.
Minus this. Why does it look familiar?
Because you almost proposed to me there, but you didn't.
Correct.
Yeah. That was the first spot, but it was too sunny in that spot. So then you went to a shaded part to propose to me.
This is awesome as well.
Yeah, that's really cool, that one.
And this.
Wow, these, I love these.
I'll take these all.
So, yeah, I'll take them all, but how much are they?
Oh. Put it on my tab.
How much is the Tiki Room sign?
$150, I believe?
Say $150? That's not terrible. We actually saw these in Magic Kingdom, and they have quite a bit more in this store in Disney Springs. I like the Haunted Mansion one. I think it just looks really realistic. Here's Brito artwork. We have a couple of Brito pieces. I do like his artwork. It's very unique. Here's some Jim Shore artwork, which is definitely my favorite artwork out of all the artwork. I do love Jim Shore's figurines. I think this one's super cool. There he is. We actually have this one, which is cool. And I love this one too for Peter Pan's flight. I also really like this one for the Haunted Mansion, the Hitchhiking Ghost. Pirates. And look at those cuties. We just left the Art of Disney store. It's such a great store. Very dangerous indeed, but a very great store. And now we are heading to the Christmas store. The ornaments are so pretty. It's called Days of Christmas. This is a really cool ornament because it actually lights up. And there it is lit up. Very cool. David just found this ornament for Toy Story.
That is cool.
Is this for the new ride?
No, because this is a teacup.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of weird.
It is a little weird.
Just awesome.
But it's cute, yeah, it's really cute, really cute. And watch it spin. It's really cool when it spins. Wait, no.
You gotta do it this way.
I gotta do. Look at that, that's awesome. It's really awesome. I like this one too with the Mickey hat and then Buzz and Woody. We found Stitch. And he's a present. So cute. Here's Mickey Mouse with a diploma of excellence. Here is Cinderella's carriage. That is so beautiful. And I also like this one. Look at these. These are Haunted Mansion ones. Very cool. And there's a fireplace going in the Christmas shop.
Don't stand too close.
Oh, David, you need to be careful by the fireplace.
Just throw it for a second. Yeah. It's not real.
No, it's not. It just makes it feel like it's winter time and you're all cozy in your nice, comfy winter clothing up by the fireplace. I like this one. This is the Disneyland castle. And they do have some Hanukkah merchandise in the Christmas store. And here's Mickey's Pantry. It has all kitchen items in it. These are very summery items for the kitchen. Feels like summertime. And look, hidden Mickey. Look how cute these are. These are so cute. And you can't forget your Mickey apron. Lots of kitchen Mickey items, right?
Can't have too much Mickey kitchen stuff. Should be doing the work while down eat.
Yeah, it's a cute store. And here's the pin trading store. Lots of pins in here. David, look. Donald and Daisy. Why is Donald so angry?
Because he just bought Daisy all this stuff and now she's telling him where to go.
Are you trying to say something?
That's why he's angry.
Wait, you're angry? There are a ton of pins in that store. Definitely check it out if you're a pin collector. But be careful because you could spend a lot of money on very little, right?
Yeah, or you could trade pins with cast members.
Yeah,
you have to buy the pins first.
Yes. And this is Once Upon a Toy. We're gonna head in here now. This store has changed a lot since the last time we were here.
Yeah, it definitely shrunk a lot. There's no little girls trying to challenge me on building Mr. Potato Head. So I feel better about that at least.
Because Mr. Potato Head's not here.
Nope.
It's basically just all toys and plush, right? Yep. Oh, Angel. This is Disney Monopoly.
Oh, those are great.
That's cool.
Great.
Okay, well, Once Upon a Toy was a little disappointing because we thought it was going to be bigger, but they took a lot away from it from when we went here last. And if you want to check out how it looked, it used to look, check out the video and we'll post it in the description below so you can check out how it used to look. But right now we're going to head into Trend. They have so much cute clothing here for the ladies. Disney Life, Minnie Mouse bags. I live in Fantasyland. That's That's kind of true. This is interesting. These are actually bows, and you can change out your bow on the ear band. So you can have one ear band, and then you just change out the bow, which is neat. We just checked out Trend, and it had a lot of items for David. It actually didn't have any items for David.
I just refueled my fuel rod.
Yeah, with there's different stations where you can change it out.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot more than there used to be, so
yeah.
It's very convenient.
We checked out all the stores here that we wanted to check out.
All things Disney.
Yes, all things Disney. And now we are going to head back to the hotel. Oh, look at the sign lit up. And if you look in the distance, it's actually lightening out. You see that? And you see that a lot in Florida in the summer. We just got back to Bay Lake Tower, and Happily Ever After is going off right now. The fireworks, which is really cool.
And yes, they do pump the music here.
Yeah, they pump the music so you hear it all around. It's really cool. Beautiful.
We all have the courage to fly.
Tink's gonna come, Tink's gonna come. We're not gonna see. Oh, I see her! Oh, I see Tink! You see Tink? I see her. Happily ever after. And now we are out on our balcony, and we can see the electrical light parade. Is that what it's called?
Boat pageant or something like that.
The electrical boat pageant outside on our balcony. It's actually coming through right now.
I'm pretty sure this is an original, actually.
Just saw the electrical boat parade
Pageant.
If you know exactly what it's called, let us know in the comments below. And we're outside on the balcony right now, just relaxing. It's been a very nice day, I'd say.
I've said this before, I could sit here all day, and I probably will.
You're not gonna sit here till 12 o'clock, I won't let you. And thanks so much for watching these vlogs. As always, we appreciate it so much, and we love your comments. And yeah, thanks so much for all your support, and we hope you're enjoying them. Thanks so much, guys. You're enjoying them?
I think so. I haven't watched them yet, but I've been enjoying watching through the lens.
Experiencing it.
Yeah, there you go.
Experiencing it in real life.
Hope you guys are having as much fun.
Yeah.